Number 12 is the law of gender. This law states that there is a masculine and feminine energy that exists in this universe for creations to exist. You possess both of these energies, and it's up to you to balance the uses instead of just relying only on the masculine that has been practiced in our society for a long time. We have kindness and compassion from the passive inward flowing feminine energy. On the other hand, the masculine energy, which is outward flowing, is for hard work and action that can help us in work and business. We have tendencies to focus only on what is accepted in our society, and it's difficult when the crowd is watching. Even if you want to be genuine and be yourself, the decision is yours, as you already learned some of the laws. As a person striving to be a millionaire, never ignore the importance of compassion to others and your integrity. Never consider other humans as working robots or only tools for you to profit from. Apply these laws in your life to improve your relationships and increase your net worth. In reality, these are not easy to implement immediately or all at once, so do it gradually or at your own pace. I hope that this information has at least contributed to your well-being and success. If you think that this is useful to others also and provide them value, please take your time to share it to them. And of course, you can click subscribe to be notified when another video is released. See you soon!